Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be filming a New Year's haul. And I really want to focus this new year on more self-care and just health and fitness and just being the best person I could be. So the first item I bought is this mini fridge here. I like the idea of putting on cold face products because warm and hot opens your face up, and cool and cold kind of closes your pores. It smells good in there. I'm a weirdo, I know. You just turn that and it opens. And I have my Sunday Riley cream, NuvaRing, body butter, and 2 face masks. So cute. I really like it. And it's not loud at all. Okay, so the second thing that I picked up was a cookbook. This is from Sasha Petersa. There was like one thing that really made me get it. Sasha in Good Taste is the title. Recipes for bites, feasts, sips, and celebrations. There was a recipe in here for whiskey cupcakes. Whoa, she has a lot of stuff in here. Rosé. She shows you how to put together a cigar bar. She has stuff for Halloween, Easter, party favors. Oh, wow. She has strawberry lemonade with basil. Looks bomb. Lush lemonade. Whoa. Whiskey peach iced tea. Oh, that's right up my alley. Sneaky sangria. Say no more. Spicy mango margarita. Pineapple chili pepper bubbles. Martini lavender electric lemonade. This is right up my alley. I love lavender and I love lemonade. Oh my gosh. I'm really glad I got this. Okay, so here it is. Whiskey cupcakes. That sounds very yummy. Churro bowls. Ugh. Why you do this to me? So focusing on like self-care, I have always wanted a set of Victoria's Secret pajamas that are like the flannel like this. So I finally splurged this year, and during the semi-annual sale I ordered a pair. It's the long sleeve shirt and the pants. And oh, there's a picture of it. I just wanted something cozy that I could come home after working and after showering and just get in a nice cozy pair of pajamas before I go to bed. I have lots of pajamas. Like I have random long sleeve shirts, and I have a bunch of random like fleece pajama pants. But I don't have a lot of sets of pajamas, as odd as that sounds. And so I just wanted to get a really nice set of pajamas that will last me for a really long time. The next item I have here, this is the silk pillowcase. It's made by Slip. And it comes in this little box. I got this from Sephora. I should just put it on right now. Anti-aging, anti-creasing, anti-bedhead. Wow, that feels so nice. So it is a little small. I forgot that my pillows were king size pillows. Well, we'll just have to do for now until I get a new pillow. 3 things that I purchased from Sephora besides the pillowcase. I got the Sunday Riley Ice Moisturizing Cream. I've been wearing this for about 2 weeks now, and I actually really do like it. This is what it looks like, and I really like it. I put it on every time after I get out of the shower. And when I wear overnight, so like when I come home and shower and then I put it on and I wake up in the morning, my skin does feel really soft and it does not feel like anything's on there. But I will say, when you first apply this, it does take a while to sink in. So I have applied it and then like 15 minutes later put primer on and then put makeup on, and it doesn't like mess up anything, but I could feel that I have something on my skin, like it doesn't sink in easy. But this is a heavier moisturizer, and it's a ceramide moisturizer. I live in Colorado where it's really cold and really, really, really dry. Cap locks, really dry. And it's hella windy here. So I need a heavy duty moisturizer. And I sadly don't drink enough water. So I need something that really moisturizes my skin. And so I actually really like this, even though it takes a while to sink in. Okay, so then I wanted to try out this MARVIS toothpaste. I'd heard a lot of things about this, and I've seen a couple people that I watch on YouTube. They really like this toothpaste. So I got this little trial size, and I do like it. I don't know if I love it, but I like it. And so we'll see what happens. I feel like for the price, I thought that this was gonna be, I didn't know I got the trial size. For some reason I thought I got the full size. And I wanna say that this was like $7, and this is tiny. I could go to Target and get 2 of the Crest whitening toothpaste for like $8 or $9. So I don't know if this is worth the price. But I like it. It's okay. So next up is some SUPERGOOP lip balm. It has acai and shea butter. It's funny, the name SUPERGOOP, but it's not goopy. It's super lightweight. It's like airy. It's not sticky. You can blend it right in. You can move your lips around. Then I got 2 items from Glossier. So I got the Boy Brow, which is their little pomade, and it comes in like a brush, and I got it in clear. I want to try it in brown, but I was just scared that the brown would be like a off tint or something, like not the right brown. But anyways, so it looks just like that, and you just put it in your eyebrows and brush it through. Ever since I've been using it, it's the only thing I've been using, and I absolutely love it. I just brush it through. I bought this too. This one is the Brow Flick. It's a Microfine detailing pen, and I did get this one in brown. Let me put some on my hand. I like it, don't get me wrong, but I haven't really had a need to use anything else because that Boy Brow works so good, and it just brushes my brows right up. So this is an oil diffuser, but it looks like the moon, and I love the moon. I love looking at the moon. I love being outside when the moon is out. When we have full moons, sometimes the moon, it looks like it's so close that you could literally reach out and touch it. It's just something about the moon that I've loved my whole entire life. And so I've been wanting an oil diffuser because I really like lavender oil and tea tree oil. I just bought these little cotton swab filters. You're supposed to replace this once a month. And then I bought this set of it's 6 essential oils. Peppermint, orange, lavender, rosemary, bergamot, and frankincense. Whoa. I'm excited. I'm excited to try these bad boys out. Let's smell one. Let's smell the frankincense. Whoa. It says breathe better every day. The benefits of frankincense. It gives you strength and focus and reduces turmoil. Oh, I need that. I need this one. I need a big one of this one. That's really different, but I like it. Let's smell the bergamot. It says this one reduces stress. It's calming and uplifting. Now that smells good. Okay, so this is what the diffuser looks like. This is my favorite light, the blue one. Alright guys, that was my first haul of 2020, my New Year's haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that maybe I gave you some ideas. I just hope that I gave you some inspiration if maybe you need to purchase some things and you saw them here and you like them. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!